Hey YouTube, it's me again, Lizzie, and I am the Discount Vegan. I make budget-friendly recipes and teach you how to garden, even in the smallest spaces, so that you can save money on what you eat and spend it or save it somewhere else. So if that sounds good to you, click the subscribe button if you haven't already, and click on that notification bell. It lets you know that I post new videos every Wednesday and Saturday, in case you forget. So let's get into today's video. Today, you might ask? Something that screams cold weather food, comfort, deliciousness, and this time, single serve style. So I am going to show you how I make my really quick and easy shepherd's pie, single serve style if you want. You don't have to. But this, pretty much everything, is going to be cheap and easy to obtain. Okay, so here's what you're gonna need. 1/4 teaspoon black pepper, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon rosemary. Mine is actually rubbed rosemary. You can use ground, whatever you have. 2 cups of vegetable broth. Again, this is my, not recipe, because it's so obvious. Everyone has this, but pretty sure I have the recipe. I keep calling it a recipe. Pretty sure I have a video or blog post up on this. If I do, it'll be at the top. Then we have a cup of TVP, about 3 medium potatoes, and I've tried several different kinds. Sweet potato is bomb, and they are at a great price right now. At least here. If it's not for you, then it's not for you. 1/2 tablespoon of minced garlic, 1/4 cup of ketchup, 1 tablespoon of either vegan mayo or butter. I don't have butter on hand right now, so I'm using mayo. And then your cheapo is your 1 cup of canned mixed veg. There is a frozen version, so if you can get that, by all means. Canned is just easier for me right now. It's what I have. So that is your ingredients. So let's get to making some shepherd's pie. Okay, so you're going to need 2 pots. One, obviously, you're going to want water in and turn it on, and that's going to have your potatoes. So just plop those in there. And the other one is going to be your veggie stock. And, of course, your lovely, lovely seasonings. Just get that started up. So now we're going to cook this. Get this up to a boil so that we can add our TVP so it can soak everything up. and we shall be back. Okay, now that the stock is boiling, we are going to put the TVP in and just mix it up. So now that that's going, that will soak up the rehydrate, I should say, and soak up the stock with all the seasonings, and we're just gonna turn it off. So that's doing that. The potatoes are still cooking, and we will wait on that again. Okay, so now that the potatoes are done, you can see I've already riced them in my masher because I am lazy. But now all we want to do is put in our mayo or butter, whichever one you have. It just helps give it a little bit of a fat content to kind of like have a little extra flavor and a little something extra. And you don't have to do this, but I do put a little extra salt in my potatoes because I didn't salt the water. So mix that up. There we go. And now from there, we're gonna take our TVP and set that up. And we're gonna wanna put our veggies and our ketchup in. I'm just gonna use the fork from and just mix all this up. And you will notice there is some stock left in the bottom, and that's a good thing. That will help you get a nice kind of like creaminess, so to speak, in your shepherd's pie. Okay. Now that that's done, let's assemble. Okay, so I like using these single serves. They're like little mini loaf pans. You can put it all in one if you want. I just think these look cute. And I don't really have anything that fully fits it. It's either too big or too small, so. And now that that's done, we just put our potato on top. Oops. I don't know about you, but I always overstuff everything because, I mean, why not? The more the merrier. And the best thing about doing little ones like this, you can just serve them right in the container. It works. It works very well, actually. Let's get these strays back in. Okay. So now that that's done, we have 2 delicious little shepherd's pies. And again, you don't have to do this. This is just extra. I put a little bit of salt. And now they can go into the oven. 350 for about 40 minutes. Keep an eye on it and check it about every 15, give or take, because every oven is different. So let's get these bad boys in, because I am hungry. Okay, so ta-da, we are done. Let's try it out. These are all super simple ingredients, super delicious all together. And I mean, look at that. And I mean, look at that. That is so flavorful and so, it just smells amazing. The rosemary mixed with the sweetness of the ketchup, it's just amazing. So like usual, if you like this recipe, leave a like, help me out, get the word out, share this, do all the things, and when you make it, tag me. I would love to see yours. So that's all for today, and I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.